Hiccups happen when your diaphragm spasms involuntarily, causing you to suddenly inhale air. This quickly closes your vocal cords, making that distinctive hic sound. Many things can trigger hiccups. Common causes include eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, and experiencing sudden changes in temperature. Other triggers may include emotional stress or excitement, spicy foods, and even laughing hard. Most hiccups resolve on their own within a few minutes. However, persistent hiccups could indicate a more serious underlying condition requiring medical attention. In conclusion, hiccups are usually harmless, but can be annoying. Understanding their triggers can help you manage or avoid them.